In today's second reading, we heard Jesus was on the boat and his disciples were there. The Sea of Galilee, there was a storm and they were afraid. They woke up Jesus saying, "We are getting drowned." And Jesus told them, "You men of little faith, why are you afraid?" And then he calmed the sea. If Jesus is with us, nothing to worry. But Jesus to be with us, we should be with Jesus. Jesus is somewhere and we are somewhere. How do you expect Jesus to come in your life? So I have to be humble enough to trust Jesus. And Jesus will be with me if I obey the commandments. Jesus says, if you love me, obey my commandments. For Jesus, love of God is equal to obeying the commandments. Are we ready to obey the commandments? We want to lead our own life, our own ways. And only when we are in trouble, we run to preach. Father, please pray, Father. My daughter is sick, my son is sick. We tried so much, my son didn't get a job. Why God should come to your rescue, you tell me, brothers and sisters? Let us pray today that I will be with Jesus, not for one day, day after day, moment after moment. I will remain with Jesus and obey his commandments.